everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Rocket League account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go ahead and open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.epicgames.com and press enter. If you want to enable the two-factor authentication on Rocket League, you need to log into your account on Epic Games. So go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right and enter your Epic Game account's credentials to log into your account first. Click on sign in with Epic Games and make sure to enter your email and password correct and click on login. Once you're logged into your account, mouse over to the human icon or your username at the top right and click on Accounts tab. Then, from the list, go to Password and Security options. Scroll all the way down until you see the two-factor authentication option and you'll be able to see three options displayed on the screen. You can select to enable two-factor authentication by choosing the first option, in which you'll need to go ahead and download the third-party authenticator app, and whenever you're trying to sign into your account, you'll need to type in the code provided to you by that particular app. Similarly, if you use the authentication SMS option, then you'll need to enter the two-factor authentication SMS code sent to your mobile number. If you choose email authentication, then you'll need to enter the security code sent to your email address. Choose any one option and click on the toggle button to enable it. I'm going to choose the second option, that is SMS, and on the next page, enter a phone number that you would like to associate with and click send code. You'll now receive an SMS code sent to your mobile number. Enter the verification code as soon as you receive it and click on the activate button in order to enable two-factor authentication on Epic Games account. Once you go ahead and enable the two-factor authentication on Epic Games, you now need to enter the authentication code whenever you try to log in with your Rocket League account via Epic Games. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.